Yeah, man walking around the outside. All we do is relax the arms down by the side of the body. Start rotating the shoulders forward. Onto the circle. Onto the over top of the movement. Rear. Start walking now. Start walking down across the body. Front to rear. Side to side. Front to rear. And carry on walking there. Bring the elbows up the side. Alternate bicep curls. Plunging with the arms nice and fast. Loading the chest press. Good, as we're jogging around the outside of the cones then, place the left arm across the chest, start rotating the right arm forwards, making sure you fully lock out the arm with your bicep, pushing back straight out. To the rear, change over arms, to the rear, and carry on jogging. Shoulders and arms not moving forward to the front, start passing it to your left and right hand side. Okay? Facing forwards, twisting the abdominals, try and look at the person behind you in the eyes if you can. Alright, carry on jogging there. Slide it in your back of the waist. Start bringing the knees up to the front, 50%. Alright, carry on jogging. Stand it in front, waist, start